Hey guys, if you need to change your car's air filter, I was recently getting the oil change and they told me it was time for an air filter change. I didn't want to pay them to do it because this is a really easy job once you get a hold of the part, which you can do at any auto supply store. Here we have a 2007 Hyundai Sonata, but it's probably similar in most vehicles. You're looking for this particular element of your car and it's latched in by four latches, and you just pop those off. 1, 2, 3, they're in each of the corners, and then the fourth is over here. Sometimes you got to come around a little bit to get access to it. Okay, got that. Then lift this thing off here. This is actually the new filter. I just wanted to show you guys quickly. I popped this in earlier. This is what a new filter looks like. Looks pretty nice and clean, as you can see. Here is the one that I took out, which, I don't know, it had been about a year or longer. This thing is really beat looking. This was starting to kind of shred, come apart, and obviously just night and day, right? So this is obviously time for a change. Okay, it's coming apart there. So this cost me about $12 and change at, I think I was at Advance Auto Parts, I think that I was at, but you can get them at any auto parts store. Pop it in here. Okay, lift this up. Pop this in here. You might need to jiggle it around a couple of times just to make sure that it sits properly. And you'll know when it sits properly because, you know, it very clearly just is good like that. Okay. Secure that again, and you're going to want to do the clips to secure it in place. 1, 2, 3, and then I'll come around again. This one's a little harder to access, but still pretty easy. Sometimes you gotta get a little jiggle there. There you go. 4. So that's it, guys. This is what you do when you need to change your air filter. Why do we change the air filter? Here it says that this helps. Well, if your air filter is clogged, it decreases your throttle power, and you can wear down your engine. That's probably what I was doing, judging by the looks of this. So when you change your air filter, it helps improve your acceleration by up to 11%. It says, and you can optimize your engine performance. Hope this helps you save a couple bucks.